Hey guys, it's JJ with Odin's Eye Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make rose rings. These are, let's see, let me show you. These are the kind of rings that I'm going to show you how to make. Very, very easy to make. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our wire. This is 12 gauge Benny Crate wire, and we're going to take a piece of wire, I don't know, about, getting all messed up on me here, I don't know, about 18 inches long. I'm going to take my little pliers here and cut it. And get that wire out of the way. And the second thing you're going to need is a mandrel. This just kind of measures ring sizes. This is a pretty cheap one. It's just plastic, but that's what we're going to use. And then you're going to need these kind of pliers as well. Doesn't necessarily have to bend at the tip. You can do the straight ones. That's fine too. So let me show you how we do it. So I've got my wire. It's about 18 inches long. I'm going to kind of bend it in half a little bit, like this. Okay. And I'm going to take it, put it around my mandrel, and I usually start a size up because it starts to get kind of smaller as I work with it. So I'm going to do like a size 8.5. Right now it's going to end up being like a 7.5. So I take it, wrap it around, and I'm just going to go around my mandrel 3 times. You know, let's make it 4. Okay. So I'm going to run my mandrel 4 times, and now from here, what I'm going to do is twist it like this, just once. Okay, so now it's twisted. And I'm going to start by taking my wire on the right side, left side, whatever you prefer to do. I'm going to take it, and I'm going to tuck it kind of loosely under my first piece here. And now I'm going to take this one and loosely go under my first wire. Okay? So I'm going to keep kind of doing that. You can see, there we go. Keep doing that. Keep going under. Okay? Take this piece and go under. And then I'm going to keep doing that and just keep going around just under the previous wire. Okay? Keep going around and around and around until I get to about there. Okay, and that's my rose. So now I'm going to take it off my mandrel, and I'm going to take these sides and wrap them around the sides of the rose right here to secure everything in place. And this is where your pliers come in handy. Okay, so I'm going to wrap like that, so you can see it. And I'm going to do this 3 times, side by side, just wrapping around. And now I'm at the 3rd wrap there. I'm going to cut it so that there's a little bit left over so I can tuck it behind. So I'm going to take that little leftover piece of wire and just bend it and tuck it behind. Like that. Now you can see it doesn't, camera, doesn't look that even, so what I'm going to do is mush it together so it's even, and press down. Okay, that's one side. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Go and weave it. 2, 3. Again, doesn't look even. That's fine, because I'm going to even it up like that. And then you take the little piece at the end and just bend it over, keeping things even. And then I give it a little squish. Squish. Make sure everything looks even, which it does. Okay, and that is a rose ring. So it's that easy. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's see what size this ended up being. Yep, about 7.5. So I usually, like I said, I usually start sizing it like when I'm wrapping it around the mandrel. I do one size up because it just always seems to get smaller on me. So, but that's personal preference. But that is the rose ring. And you have any questions, let me know. I am at odinseyeart@gmail.com. I also have an Etsy store, so if you want to check that out as well, under Odin's Eye Art. Thank you. Have a great day.